Good morning, kindergartners. How are you today? I'm so glad you're watching my video. So this week we started adding math back in. So if you went and picked up packets, you picked up math for 2 weeks. If you are online, you also have access to the math for 2 weeks. And if you aren't able to get the packet or get online, if you're watching this video, you can still do math. Our goal for math for the next 2 weeks is to talk about shapes. Not just saying the names, but also talking about the attributes. Remember that word? Attributes. An attribute is how you can describe something. So you can talk about its color. You can talk about its size. You can talk about, for a shape, we talk about its sides. So like curved or straight. And when I said size, I meant like big or little. So we have 2 different kinds of shapes we're going to talk about today. We have flats and solids. The flats are 2-dimensional and they're flat like a pancake. The solids are 3-dimensional shapes. We've been practicing our 2-dimensional shapes quite a bit, so we're going to go through that one pretty fast. So let's start. Tell someone in your home what the name of this shape is. Let's say it 3 times. Square, square, square. Can you do that again? Square, square, square. And let's talk about those attributes real quick. A square has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. That means they are all the same. And it has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is flat, like a pancake. So let's say it again. Square. Nice job, kindergartners. Now we have another shape that kind of gets confusing sometimes. It's similar, but different. It's a rectangle. What shape? Rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners, but a rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Rectangle. What word? Nice job. Our song for rectangle, do you remember? Short, long, rectangle. Our next shape is you're right, triangle. Say it 3 times. Triangle, triangle, triangle. And a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. A triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. Nice job. And our next shape is a circle. A circle is round, round and round and round. A circle is round, round and round and round. And remember, a circle's attribute is it has no corners and no sides. It goes round and round and you would never stop because there's no stopping point. A circle. What shape? Circle. Our next is a hexagon. That one's a little tricky to say. Say hexagon, hexagon, hexagon. And a hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight lines and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. Hexagon. All right, you guys did great on those flat shapes. Now let's talk about our solids, our 3-dimensional shapes. All right, Mrs. Husson's going to get her 3-dimensional shapes out. So our first one we're going to talk about is what is it? Do you remember if I turn it like this and we pretend like we're eating off of it? It's a cone, almost like an ice cream cone. When you turn it like this, it looks like an ice cream cone. A cone's attributes is the bottom, the face is the shape of a circle, a flat circle, and then it comes up to 1 point, and it is smooth all the way around. This is a cone. What is it? Cone. Good job, kindergartners. Our next shape that also has, it's like a circle, is a sphere. Can you say that? Sphere. Some people get confused and call it a circle, but this is not a circle because it is like a ball. It can, I don't want it to fall, but it can roll. My circle cannot roll. My ball can roll. The reason we get confused is because it's kind of like a circle. It has no edges. It has no corners. It is smooth all the way around. And our song is, a sphere is like a ball. A sphere is like a ball. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The sphere is like a ball. So can you say sphere with me 3 times? Sphere, sphere, sphere. Nice job. Okay, our next one is a cylinder. What word? Cylinder. Trying to put it in front of my black shirt because you can see it better. A cylinder has a circle for a face, and the other side has a circle for the face, and then we go tall and smooth. There's edges, but no corners because it's a circle, so there's no corners, but there is the edge, and it is called a cylinder. Say it 3 times. Cylinder, cylinder, cylinder. Nice job, kindergartners. All right, and our last one for today is a cube. What word? Cube. Say it 3 times. Cube, cube, cube. A cube. You might be like, Mrs. Hoskin, that looks like a square, because you're right, that is a square. But that's another square, and another square, and another square, and another square, and another square. The attribute of a cube is it has 6 faces that are all squares. 6 faces that are all squares, and it is called a cube. Can you think of something else in your home that looks like a sphere? That is your challenge this week. Your challenge is to see if you can find a sphere in your home. I already had a couple students send me pictures of spheres that they found, or their math worksheet, they wrote down the names of the spheres that they found. I would like you to find spheres this week and send me some pictures. Happy hunting, kindergartners. Talk to you later. Bye.